Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Today I want to tell you about something in some parts of the world called the tall poppy syndrome. That means if you stand out like you're a tall poppy, taller than the rest, you're going to get cut down. In Japan, they say if the nail is sticking up more than the other ones, it gets pounded down. In Mexico, and I've heard it in India too, they call it crab technology. That means like if crabs are in a pot and one starts to climb out, there's going to be another one that's going to grab on and pull them down. This starts off in childhood. If your parents treated you like you are worthless, or who do you think you are, or children should be seen and not heard, or you get whacked when you speak up, you get slapped at the dinner table because you're talking too much. There's so many things that happen in childhood that can give us the impression that what we think, what we feel, what we experience has no value, and for sure, nobody wants to hear it. And furthermore, if it's different than what our family thinks is real, you're going to get knocked down. So as we grow up, this is just reinforced by society. Our family, after all, is part of a larger society, and most societies world over have this kind of approach, have this kind of view of who you are as an individual. So I would like to encourage you to look into your childhood and look at, where was I told? Where did I get the impression, don't speak up, don't share my experience, don't share who I am, don't share my creativity, my unique view. You better shut up or you're going to get it. All these kind of things. Where did that happen in childhood? And then do TAT about each of those things. You are going to find that you become more and more naturally expressive. You're able to say what you want, what you need, who you are, what you feel, and share your creativity. I want that. I want your creativity in the life that we all live together. That is one of my personal big reasons for doing TAT and teaching it and sharing it. I want each of us, including you, to be yourself, share your whatever you have to share and give. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.